This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Galen Genovese. Welcome to this gently lived in and greatly loved home. This home needs new owners to restore and uncover its full potential. Super convenient location is close I-75, shopping and beach. Great floor plan with 2 sets of disappearing glass doors off the family room and living room and sliders off the owner's suite, all opening to the large pool area where the 14 by 28 foot pool welcomes you. There is still plenty of yard space for a play set or pet. With a little work you could have your dream home, with rated A schools. HVAC 1220, water heater 0319, dishwasher and dryer 2010, garage door opener new. For more information, review the details below.